Hey there, I'm Chef Randy, and today we're making an avocado salad with tomato gazpacho. Delicious. For this gorgeous recipe, you're going to need one perfectly ripe avocado, cherry tomatoes and field tomatoes, English cucumbers, red peppers, lemons, basil, and extra virgin olive oil. Okay, so basically we got to start with a tomato gazpacho, and all that really is blended up tomatoes, a little bit of cucumbers, a little bit of peppers, olive oil, and some white wine. A little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Hey, how you doing? And the secret ingredient, everyone needs a little bit of acidity, so lemon juice. The blender does all the hard work for you. Here we go. Power on. Give it the old. Woo! And look at this. Soup in 60 seconds. Gorgeous. Now we want to give it a little bit of body, so what we want to do is we want to dice up some vegetables as well. So I got a red pepper. And what that'll do is it'll just kind of mix it up. Instead of it being all smooth, it's just going to give a little bit of crunch in between. And some cucumber. Don't be afraid of the green. So we put the base of the soup down, chill the bowl, and basically you just want to do like maybe 4 to 5 tablespoons. Let it dry to the edges. Next we got to work on our avocado. Take the top and the tail off, and then all the way around. Twist. You just want to take your knife and then twist. To get it off the knife, you just give it a pinch. Because you did the top and the tail, what's going to happen now is you'll be able to peel this avocado almost like peeling a mandarin orange. Super easy. Look at that. We do slices across. And then just fan it over. Turn it upside down into your soup. And now for the garnishes. Place it on top. Pick the smallest basil you can find and let that float. Place it all over. Drizzle some olive oil. And the beautiful finishing touch, just a little bit of lemon zest. That's just going to give it a nice little bit of fragrance to it. Absolutely stunning. There you have it. Avocado salad with tomato gazpacho. You can find the recipe and all the tools I used to make this right here on tsc.ca. See you next time.